Hello, artists, and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes art challenges to try in your own style. Today, I am making a parody of Danny Wagner, the drummer from the rock band Greta Van Fleet. This is part of my Crayons Rock Art challenge inspired by Pete the Cat, Crayons Rock by Kimberly and James Dean. In this parody, Danny Wagner becomes Crayonny Wagner of Greta Crayon Fleet. For this art challenge, you may want a sheet of paper, a how to draw sheet, a pencil and eraser, a Sharpie or other marker, a ruler, and crayons, because crayons rock. I encourage you to begin with pencil lightly on the paper to better set yourself up for success. Please feel free to pause this video as you follow along with me when I trace or outline with Sharpie so that you can follow along at your own comfortable pace. When you draw with a pencil, remember that it is okay to make mistakes. We can erase pencil lines. I chose to make this drawing in this character because I am a huge fan of Greta Van Fleet. Even though their music sounds like other classic rock bands, I think Greta Van Fleet make music in their own style by writing songs about topics that interest them. They show us how important it is to make our art in our own style. If you are trying this art challenge, I want to say how proud I am of you. It's not an easy task, but it is a lot of fun and can be really rewarding. What else can feel really rewarding is trying things in our own style. If you are trying this art challenge, please feel free to make your own version of a musical crayon that reflects your musical interests and passions. Yours can be a rock star drummer like mine, or it can be a rapper, a DJ, or any other kind of musician you know about. Whatever you choose, I know that you're going to do great because you rock. I do hope that you try this art challenge for yourself. Feel free to begin this journey by making my character Crayonny Wagner, or jump right into your own creation. Remember that yours can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, you are going to rock it. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.